President can't ask for Benue as he reach, say, how come no arrest has been made?
How come no arrest has been made? I expect there should be arrests of those criminals.
Himself, they shock. But that question, they come very late, Mr. President. Because the thing happened on a Friday. You supposed to get intelligent report. People, where they give you intelligent report. Say, Mr. President, it happened yesterday night around 10:45. As at Saturday morning, we have arrested. So you know, ask that question on Saturday morning. You know, ask the question on Sunday. You know, ask the question on Monday. You know, ask the question on Tuesday. Now till Wednesday when you reach there, now you can't ask the question, how come? Meaning say your intelligence, they know they work, and they know they give you daily reports, because you're supposed to get daily report about every state, because the territorial integrity of this state is in your hand. That is why you appoint chiefs, military, to head different military organizations and to man all the borders. Now they ask the question, how come nobody has been arrested after 5 days? Meaning say, they no can't tell you anything about the happenings. Or you just ask the question because press they there.
Chook mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.